Hello everyone, my name is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. And this is the Glam Life with Stacy. In today's video, I'll be doing a wig install. If this is something that you like, then keep on watching. Hi guys, this video is sponsored by Wigs. It is a company that is on Amazon. They sent me their 26-inch lace front wig. It is a 13x4, as you can see, and the color is 1B30 and the density is 180%. Now this is how I do my lace fronts. This is how I normally install my wigs. I'm not a professional. I'm just a girl who, helps herself and try to save money. Okay, so if you're trying to install your own wig, just keep on watching. I will drop in some of the products that I'll use. And y'all, why I use a filter to adjust my background, and oh my god, you can see the white cast on my hand. It's like a filter. I was trying to adjust my color, but oh my god, thank god this is not a makeup video, or else I would have to do it over. But the show must go on, y'all. The show must go on. And I'm too far along in my editing process, so I can't even fix it. The glue that I'm using is the Bold Hold Active. So sometimes I usually put maybe 2 or 3 layers of it on, just to make sure it holds. And, for those of you who sweat, especially in the summertime when it gets really hot, this one is usually good. But for sometimes it lifts though. But this one works for me when I put at least 3 applications on there, sometimes even 4. So I'm trying my best not to let it touch my hair, because I want to save my edges, y'all. So just move it forward instead of backwards and away from my edges, because I don't want no glue in my hair. Honestly, I'm really trying to hold on to the edges that I have. And that's me trying to dry it down a little bit before I apply it, and trying to get the white out before I lay it down. So I want it to be clear before I actually lay the wig down, because it will push through and you will see it, and I don't want no white. And here I am just trying to just comb the hair back a bit and try to dry it. It got a little bit challenging, but it worked out in the end for me. And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the And here I am struggling a little bit just to cut the ear tab off. So I'm trying to be very, very careful not to cut myself and not to cut too much of the hair off as well. And y'all, why I forgot to cut the lace off the back part of the wig. After I was finished, I noticed that I was like, oh my god, I totally forgot to cut it off. But I went back and cut it, y'all. I got rid of it. And see, I always got to go back to the tabs. I don't know why that part always lifting. So I think this is like my 4th go right here. I don't know why that always happened. Then again, it was hot. I was in here sweating with all these lights and everything. So I was hot, y'all. So now I'm just putting on my elastic band just to help me with the drying process so this hair could stay put and not slide back like it was doing before. I should have been did that, but you know. And now I'm just going to be cutting this lace off in the front. But before I do that, I'm using the wax stick just to get the flyaways back. So I'm cutting the hair, but I'm cutting it in a zigzag motion, as you can see, just to give a more natural appearance. I didn't want to cut it straight across and then it's looking like, you know, a sumo wrestler or something, you know. Just wanted to be a little natural with it, okay? By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. So here I am, getting ready to cut my baby hair. And guys, I know this was long. But after the video, I went back and fixed it and make it a little bit shorter so it could be cuter and, you know, a little bit more natural. And the next thing again, I don't cut my I didn't do any plucking. I just took out the bag and installed it just as it is. And y'all, I thought this mousse was gonna work like a gel. So this thing started dripping right on my clothes. Ugh. So what y'all should do if y'all use this, just do it on a mannequin and let it dry and just put it on the lace. It did work good as a lace tint, but it's definitely not a mousse that you should put on your hair to kind of let it sit. So this ended up being like a whole lot of product along with the Got To Be Glue gel, and it did lift my hair up. So here is one of my favorite that I use, my Got To Be Glue gel. That's what I use most of the time to lay my edges down. But As you see, it's gonna lift up because right now I have too much on that lace that I set there and glue down, and it lifts right back up. And the brand on this lace tint is Dula Hair.
Stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the beach, full speed, so volley Paris, me. On me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the beach, full speed, so volley Paris. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
Now I'll be going in one of my other favorite products. This is the Frizz Ease Serum. So I like to just rub that right on through the hair just to get all flyaways away and add some sheen to the hair. And the brand on the wax stick that I'm using is Samnyte. It's spelled Samnyte, and on the front is SNTE. And here I'm going in with the Got To Be Glue free spray. I use this whenever I am styling my hair. I usually like to have the waterfall look in the front, so I usually use that, and that will help me keep that look lock in place and serve as an assistant to the hair glue. And so here I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just use this to let my part look better for a lack of a better word, just to open up that part and have it be like a natural look. So I think the shade that I used was Fawn. So guys, yes, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am loving it, and I hope you all are too. So thank y'all for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.